Hi everyone, good morning. Welcome to another coronavirus TV episode, Tuesday, April the 12th. Today I'm going to talk about cocktails. Not, I guess the cocktails that probably first come to mind. It's only 10:30 in the morning in the UK, but rather I want to talk about drug cocktails. The reason for this is because of a new trial that the NIAID is sponsoring. This trial is adding remdesivir as that backbone to the IL-6 inhibitor baricitinib, testing this cocktail regimen in patients, hospitalized with COVID-19. Note the NIAID has already shown remdesivir to be the new standard of care. So it has a 31% reduction in hospitalized days against placebo, with a non-significant but still a numerical benefit on mortality. So really, remdesivir is part of the part of the standard of care or best supportive care. It's not really that ethical to be comparing or to be running new trials where placebo is the active comparator. Where there is a supply of remdesivir, really patients should be getting it. So this is a cocktail trial. Expect many more of these to be initiated in the future. Another different approach could actually be a head-to-head trial design as well, where rather than using remdesivir as a backbone, you're using it as an active comparator, and the investigational drug can be directly compared. But yeah, expect most trials in the future now to be using the cocktail design. One slight difficulty with this is, I suppose, in a hypothetical scenario, if you're adding another investigational drug onto remdesivir and this shows an additional benefit, it can be quite difficult to really tease out the exact effects of the investigational drug versus what remdesivir can provide. So the next wave of antiviral research could well belong to monoclonal antibodies, and I would hope that there is room for clinical improvements. These antibodies themselves may already be a cocktail of different antibodies. Adding them onto remdesivir, if we get an additional benefit, well, how much of this is derived from remdesivir? Is remdesivir actually required or necessary? Note that it does have a potential side effect association of raised liver enzymes. So one way around this would be the head-to-head design, directly contrasting your investigational drug against remdesivir. But Gilead's not really going to be wanting to be giving away access to its drug for other companies to, I suppose, show superiority. It suits the company quite nicely for it to be part of that backbone cocktail. A way around that might be to do cross-trial comparisons against, your investigational drug in one trial, comparing it against Gilead's drug in a different setting. Alternatively, use real-world data sources to do those comparisons. But this is all quite scientifically inelegant and difficult to explain to the public, probably most importantly. I do expect cocktail trials will be the way that the field moves forward, and I'm not trying to be shooting Gilead or remdesivir down. I think it's fantastic that we do now have a drug that has shown a clinical benefit, and I think quite rightfully remdesivir will be part of the treatment paradigm throughout all of the coronavirus pandemic. We may just never know quite how good it is compared to other new drugs, but certainly it does, it deserves its place. A pretty hypothetical conversation, kind of trying to picture how the scenario might play out in the future. I kind of enjoyed doing it. I hope you found the video interesting. I certainly look forward to the next opportunity, and I will speak to you all soon. Bye now.